everyone, so I'm starting my makeup with this Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer, and it is a very affordable moisturizer. And now I'm gonna use this Purple 24 karat Rouge Well Primer on my face. I have reviewed this product in detail on my Instagram. And now I'm gonna use the sample size Max Strobe cream, which I have fallen in love with, and I'm surely gonna purchase the full size product super soon. I'm gonna use this orange color corrector from Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer Palette to correct my pigmented areas, and I've already shared the importance of color correcting in my color correcting knowledge video. If you have not checked that out, I will put the link in description box below, and you will be able to see the link in eyebar above as well. So basically, if you do not color correct your face, your makeup will turn gray in a while, and that's the reason color correcting is really important. If you have pimples, you need to apply green color corrector as well. I am skipping it because I do not have pimple or pimple marks. Blending with brush is just not enough for me, so I'm gonna use this beauty blender to blend it further. To do my brows, I'm gonna use this Miniso eyebrow pencil in the shade dark gray, and I always recommend you to buy the Miniso products after testing it only, because shades are very different as written. And yes, I'm just lightening the brows with the spoolie, and now I'm gonna define it with the concealer. And you can see that I'm just outlining the eyebrows and will blend it with my beauty blender. So that's how you do your brows. Taking my Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer palette once again, I'm gonna use the lightest shade on my eyelid right now, because I want my eyeshadow colors to pop out more than usual, because I'm gonna apply eyeshadow with the lip liners today. I'm going to use this lip liner from ADS in the shade red and applying it directly on my eyelids, and will further blend it with a brush. I have just sharpened my lip liner, because of which the color is popping out more, and I personally think that blending and applying both can be a difficult task for so many people, but this technique can be used by the beginners as well. Though I would recommend oily skin people to pat their powder eyeshadows on the cream products, otherwise your eyeshadow will crease a lot. And you can see that I'm blending well with a brush, and now I'm going to use that same eyebrow pencil to create a transition color, which I'm going to blend with brush again thoroughly. Next, I'm gonna use this blue eyeliner pencil from Glam 21, which I've got from local cosmetic store for 50 bucks, and I love its pigmentation, and you can get yours too. So now I'm taking lighter color concealer to conceal my pigmented areas. Usually I do apply darker concealers first and then foundation, and then layer it up with the lighter foundation to highlight it. But today I thought of experimenting, and I know that I will manage to balance the color once I will apply foundation and blend both the concealers and foundation together. I always use beauty blenders to blend my makeup because it looks more natural then, but you can use brush too. Now I'm gonna use this Milani 2-in-1 concealer plus foundation, and I personally think that this foundation requires some kind of moisturizer in it before applying, because it is not that hydrating, and I always feel so heavy if I apply it alone. So that's the reason I'm mixing this Biotic moisturizer in my foundation, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face. Though it will make my foundation color look a little bit lighter, but after blending, it will just blend your skin like anything. Now when I've concealed and applied my foundation, I am taking this red lip liner again to do my lower lash line. It is really important to do your lower lash line. This kajal from Faces has my heart. I always use this kajal over any other kajal because this is so highly pigmented. Now I'm using the contour stick from the brand NY Bay, and I don't know the shade because the slip has been lost now, but this particular product has my heart. It gets just into skin like anything, and I'm using this product on the areas where I need my face to look sculpted, because in this lockdown I have gained a lot and my face fat has been doubled now. My jawline is like, I can't see my jawline. I have to create a jawline whenever I'm doing my makeup. So yes, it helps a lot to make my face look sculpted. Using this Nykaa Paint Sticks lipstick in the shade Girl Code as a blusher is my favorite part because it looks more natural than usual. Using this sugar highlighter stick in the shade Bronze as my highlighter today, because this is one of those highlighters which I do apply on daily basis and go out. If you have not checked the full-fledged review of this product, you can check on my YouTube channel. I am going to link in the description box and on the bar above. And I'm using the same highlighter as my brow bone highlighter as well. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. This is a local eyelash curler which I have got from local cosmetic stores for rupees 20 or 30. So now I'm gonna take that same ADS lip liner in the shade red and outline my lips and creating 3 lines within, you can see. Now I'm gonna take the lighter shade from the same range of ADS lip liner and I'm gonna apply it on my whole lip. So that's the reason my lips look more fuller when I do makeup than usual. Though my lips are already naturally plumped, but this is the reason you can get fuller lips without getting any lip injections. And now I'm gonna use that same red lipstick again on my whole lips, and this is done. Now you can take any lipstick of your choice and apply it. I'm still not satisfied with my blusher, so I am taking a little bit more on my beauty blender and applying it like that. And I want more glow on my face, I'm taking this makeup fixer on my beauty blender and applying the highlighter on beauty blender and gonna dab it onto the high points of my face, but the leftover, the rest, I'm gonna use it on my entire face, which is the reason behind my glowing face always. You can use this technique if you want, like if you like the glow on your whole face. So yeah, I'm done, and if you have managed to come till here, please do like the video, comment down below, share this video with all your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if not done yet. Follow me on Instagram as well because I post my most of the stuff there only. And yes, we'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys, and I love you all.